I, Subrajyoti Misra, Managing Editor of Sabujima, an international multidisciplinary e-magazine, express my hearty welcome to all of you over here on the event of Sabujima Award Ceremony 2021. Sabujima, a word of prosperity, growth, and greenery, promotes the dissemination of knowledge over 12 broad multidisciplinary fields like agriculture science, horticulture, forestry, fishery science, animal husbandry, engineering and technology, medical and clinical science, earth science and environmental science, food and community science, pharmaceutical science, management study, biotechnology and bioinformatics. Our magazine mostly deals with multidisciplinary subjects, each the recent era focus on multidisciplinary approach in education and research. As per the National Education Policy 2020 and the recommendation of Ministry of Education, Government of India, single stream higher educational institution will be converted to multidisciplinary institutions as a major reform in educational sector of India. Existing institutions will focus on research innovation by setting up startup incubation center and focus on interdisciplinary research including in the humanity and social science research. The policy mentioned that the even leading engineering institutions also will move towards multidisciplinary education with more arts and humanity. We hope our multidisciplinary approach in publication of various articles will be helpful for numerous students and researchers working across the globe in any field. With the resurgence of COVID-19, we have realized the importance of online dissemination of knowledge. Online education become a part of our life. Keeping the situation under consideration, Sabujima has spreaded the helping hands to the community for its betterment by making available innovation and information at the doorstep through its e-magazine. Sabujima, an international multidisciplinary e-magazine, got launched online on 1st April 2021 on the auspicious occasion of Utkal Divas or Odisha Day, which is celebrated in the memory of the formation of Odisha state. Over a very short span of time, we are able to connect people around the globe from China to America. For management of our team, one executive council consisting of several scientists, researchers, academicians of diverse background is formed for taking several policy decisions, event organization, and other developmental work for the student community. We are fortunate to have many eminent personalities around the globe in our international editorial team. That is Dr. Rania I.M. Almoselli, Associate Professor and Technical Manager at Oils and Fat Research Development, Food Technology Research Center, Agricultural Research Center, Giza, Egypt. Mr. B.R. O'Dell, Assistant Professor, Institute of Agriculture and Animal Science, Tribhuvan University, Gaurodha, Nepal. Dr. Josiah C. Okonko, Professor, Department of Animal Science and Technology, Faculty of Agriculture, Nnamdi Azikwe University, Awka, Nigeria. Miss T. Sethi, Researchers, University of Göttingen, Germany. Dr. Janatullah R., Research Specialist, Equine-Nutrition, Aquatic Research Center, GEIC, Ministry of Municipality and Environment, Alcor, State of Qatar. With the great effort of one of the strongest editorial team and by the submission of valuable manuscript over all the disciplinary around the globe, we are able to produce 6 number of issues which motivate us to keep alive our motto, that is, read more, grow more. In every month, the issue we are producing are of quality manuscripts, strictly followed by peer-reviewed policies and plagiarism policy. Along with the publication of e-magazine, Sabujima also conduct quiz competition at national and international days for creating awareness among the student and researchers about the respective topics. Similarly, this time Sabujima has organized an award ceremony, that is Sabujima Award Ceremony 2021, on the occasion of World Teachers' Day to show the heartily respect and love to all the educators. World Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th October every year. The theme of World Teacher Day is Teachers at the heart of education recovery. World Teachers' Day is held annually on 5th October to celebrate all teachers around the globe. It commemorates the anniversary of the adoption of 1966 UNESCO recommendation concerning the status of teachers, who sets benchmark regarding the rights and responsibility of teachers and standards for their preparation and further education, retirement, employment, and teaching learning condition. World Teacher Day has been celebrated since 1994. 1.5 years into the COVID-19 crisis, the 2021 World Teachers' Day will focus on support. Teachers need to be fully contributed to the recovery procedures under the theme Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery. On the eve of World Teachers' Day 2021, our team celebrated the Sabujima Award ceremony. Applications are invited for various awards at the honor of the excellence in teaching and research. We have received more than 200 applications and CVs, but our award nominee committee shortlisted only 40 applications as per the eligibility and award policies norms. As mentioned in our application form, the award nomination committee consisting of our international editor, editorial board member, executive council member, and several eminent scientists and professors from all over the world. Out of 40 shortlisted applications, we have awarded only 21 applicants. So let's begin the award distribution ceremony. Best Research Scholar Award in PhD goes to B. Rameswar Venkat Rao for his outstanding contribution in the field of fishery science. Best Research Scholar Award in PhD goes to A. Anvita Suddesna for her outstanding contribution in the field of community science. Best Researcher Award goes to Dr. Prabhuswamy M for his outstanding contribution in the field of physics. Best Researcher Award goes to Dr. S. Ramesh for his outstanding contribution in the field of agriculture science. Best Scientist Award goes to Dr. Harish Sinoy for his outstanding contribution in the field of agriculture science. Best Teacher Award goes to Dr. Bhavani Shankar Bisoi for his outstanding contribution in the field of agriculture science. Best thesis award for PG goes to MD Vasist Raja for his outstanding contribution in the field of soil science and agricultural chemistry. Best thesis award for PG goes to Miss Suryakanta Kashyap for her outstanding contribution in the field of agronomy. Best thesis award for PG goes to Miss K. Patra for her outstanding contribution in the field of community science. Best thesis award for PG goes to Dr. Vikas Santra for his outstanding contribution in the field of animal science. Best thesis award for PhD goes to S. Sanjay Singh for his outstanding contribution in the field of horticulture. Student of the Year goes to Jairaj M for his outstanding contribution in the field of agriculture science. Young Academician Award goes to Dr. Kapodeep Karmakar for his outstanding contribution in the field of agriculture science. Young Academician Award goes to Subhadeep Sarkar for his outstanding contribution in the field of engineering and technology. Young Academician Award goes to Dr. Sayanika Bora for her outstanding contribution in the field of community science. Young Scientist Award goes to Biswaranjan Behera for his outstanding contribution in the field of agronomy. Young Scientist Award goes to Dr. T.S. Ganesh Prasad for his outstanding contribution in the field of agricultural extension. Young Scientist Award goes to Dr. Ipsita Samal for her outstanding contribution in the field of entomology. Young Scientist Award goes to Dr. R. Thakcham for his outstanding contribution in the field of horticulture. Young Scientist Award goes to Miss Chinmay Patra for her outstanding contribution in the field of agricultural statistics. Young Scientist Award goes to Dr. Shruti Mahapatra for her outstanding contribution in the field of agricultural economics. I would like to give a hearty congratulations to all the awardees on the behalf of the Sabujima Award Committee for their achievements. So we are at the end of our award ceremony. I would like to thank all the participants over the globe. the committee members, the editorial team members, my lovely viewers, for their great contribution towards making the event successful. Thank you all.